What if losing an arm wasn't a disaster? Imagine looking down, seeing it gone, and knowing it would grow back exactly the same. No scars, no permanent damage. That sounds like a superpower, but it's real, and it belongs to a small salamander called the axolotl. At first glance, axolotls look almost cartoonish. But behind that simple face is one of the most powerful abilities in the animal kingdom. Let's talk about why scientists are obsessed with this creature, and why it might change how we think about healing forever. Losing a limb isn't a big deal. If an axolotl loses a leg, it doesn't panic. There's no frantic bleeding or infection. Instead, the wound closes smoothly, and something amazing begins. Cells near the injury basically hit the reset button. They forget what they used to be and form a structure called a blastema. From there, the axolotl rebuilds everything: bone, muscle, nerves, blood vessels, and skin. A few weeks later, the limb is back. Same shape, same function. Even scientists can't tell the difference between the original and the regrown one. It gets even weirder. Regrowing limbs would already be impressive. But axolotls don't stop there. They can regenerate parts of their spinal cord, heart, lungs, and even sections of their brain. Damage that would permanently disable most animals is temporary for them. And what's crazy is that this happens throughout their entire lives, not just when they're young. This ability completely breaks one of biology's biggest assumptions, that complex tissues can't be rebuilt once they're damaged. 3. Why humans heal with scars. So why can't humans do anything close to this? Our bodies are designed to survive fast, not heal perfectly. When we're injured, our immune system rushes to seal the wound as quickly as possible. That's how scars form. Scars protect us, but they also lock the tissue in place, preventing regeneration. Axolotls take a slower approach. Their immune response allows cells to reorganize and communicate instead of rushing to close the wound. It's like choosing careful construction over emergency repairs. 4. A genome that never lets go. One reason axolotls can do this is hidden in their DNA. Their genome is enormous, much larger than a human's. Inside it are genes that stay active long after development ends. These genes act like a permanent instruction manual, telling cells how to rebuild lost parts. Humans have some of these genes too, they're just switched off. Evolution decided speed and scarring were safer for us. Axolotls kept the repair mode. 5. Why scientists care so much. Axolotls aren't just internet famous because they look cute. They're one of the most important animals in medical research. Scientists study them to understand spinal cord repair, nerve regeneration, and healing without scar tissue. This doesn't mean humans will regrow arms anytime soon, but it could lead to better treatments for injuries that are currently permanent. Nature already solved the problem. We're just trying to figure out how it did it. 6. A creature that redefines limits. The axolotl reminds us that biology still holds huge surprises. What seems impossible today might already exist, quietly, in another species. No technology, no machines, just cells following instructions written millions of years ago. The axolotl doesn't look like a superhero, but when it comes to healing, it might be the closest thing we've ever seen. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.